Hey guys, I'm Martin and I will show you how to check if the ice is safe. Remember me and Andreas taking an ice dip? Well, we didn't check the thickness, but since I live right by this lake, I have a very good hunch when I can and cannot walk on the ice, and we were gonna swim anyway. But what you should do before you send your kids onto the ice is to check the thickness. When going onto the ice for the first time, it's smart to bring some safety measures. With these ice picks, I will be able to drag myself up from the icy water if I were to go through when going to measure. Once up from the hole, you roll away from the hole, and for extra precautions, you can have a friend with a rope on dry land. I brought the drill and made a stick with a bent nail on the end, and there are markings with 5, 10, 15 and 20 centimeters. 10 is 4 inches and 15 is 6 inches. The nail head will catch on the bottom ice and I can read off the thickness. This way we don't need a big hole people can fall through. The gold standard is 4 inches is safe for one person to walk by themselves, while 6 is safe for groups, ice skating and ATVs, etc. Be extra vigilant closer to the shore and trees, inlets and outlets, piers, etc. because the ice is normally thinner there. Circumstances might vary from place to place, so try finding a local that knows what they are talking about. Every year someone goes through the ice and dies. Don't let that someone be you. If in doubt, stay away. Now hit those buttons if you like this episode, and I'll see you soon. But remember, the ice is never 100% safe.